Hey guys, Neil here from GTA Jeeps. We're back. We're going to start our first official episode with the 2017 Granite Jeep with these rims and tires. What we got over here are Mickey Thompson MTZs. These are 17 inches, 12.5 on 33s. We got the Deegan Pro 38.2s. Oh, looks awesome. Have a look. So we're going to show you guys right now what this Jeep looks like without any rims or tires. So one big plus point about going 33s are you don't have to do a lift. These will mount onto the Jeep without any further modifications. You could actually even do a 2.5-inch lift and these are going to look amazing. Alright guys, so we're going to actually start the install right now, but one last detail that we just want to add in. When you get in these black rims, you don't want those chrome lug nuts sticking out. You can actually purchase some black ones. Not only are they just regular lug nuts, they're actually one with a special key, so nobody will, steal them. But anyways, these are all found on our website. You'll have the rims, the package, all available. Take a look, gtajeeps.ca. We're going to begin installing right now.
I've just installed this new set of 33-inch tires here, Mickey Thompson's. Now, whenever you are putting on a new set of wheels, always ensure that you torque your wheels at the end of every install. Because if you don't, and you over-tighten your lug nuts, you can warp your rotors, you can cause the lug nuts to seize onto the hub, and then when you're in the trail and you're trying to get your wheel off that just popped, you ain't gonna get it off. So this is a torque wrench. You can get these from Canadian Tire, anywhere, any part supply store. The average foot-pounds for a wheel is around 100 foot-pounds, so you're going to want to set it to that. And you're going to want to tighten them in a star pattern. Now this equally distributes the force along the whole hub, making it an even tightness around the whole rim, leaving it perfect and straight, and you're not going to have any binding, you're not going to have the wheel sitting cocked. So if you're unfamiliar with a torque wrench, you're just going to turn until it clicks, and that's all. And if you were unsure, do it again. Always safe measure to do it twice, especially on big wheels like this, because they tend not to seat the nicest at the beginning, and that is a properly installed wheel.
Alright guys, we just got these installed. Want to thank Louis for a wicked job in getting these on for us. These look awesome. Want you guys to check it out. Also, make sure to follow Louis on his build. He's got a wicked TJ Check him out on Instagram. His link will be in the description below.
Thanks, guys.